Hey, I'm Chris. I work here at Pipe Wrench Plumbing. I work on the underground crew. This morning, we're boring a line from the meter box to the boring machine. We're boring it backwards, and then we're gonna take it, punch it into his house, get this guy some water. I've done underground utilities for a long time, and I just kept hearing about this was a good place to work, so just had an opportunity and put in for a job. I worked for the city of Oak Ridge since 2003. And I was equipment operator, utility line specialist, and put in sewer lines, water lines, worked water and sewer crew both. I love the underground part. I mean, it's all I've done most of my life, so it's what I know and what I feel I'm good at, so that's what I like best. It just seems like everybody's good to work with, and all the management, they're good. They're not, they're good to you. It seems like it's a good place to work. People treat you good. Usually, when I leave here, I'm going to take care of cows or baling hay or something. I farm I farm my whole life, so when I leave here, I'm usually working.